Hey, this is the last day of TDF Fleece. I have been so slack. I have been trying to catch up on sleep and accidentally sleeping in until 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and so I don't get much time to spend. And when I do, I sit here for ages looking at the computer and looking at the yarn and going, oh my god, this is so thin, and this is going, and then telling up how long it's going to take me to make or finish it. And then I go, do I really have that much time up my sleeve today? What else do I have to do? And the excuses just continue. So I'm going to try and finish this yarn today, but it's already 2:30 in the afternoon, and I am telling up that I've probably got another 4 hours to do. So let's get into it. I do need to finish this today. Then I can reveal how many I've spun and how many meters I've spun all up. Alright, this has taken me 4 hours to complete the plying. Quite pretty. Lots of sparkle. I don't know if you can see sparkle on here, but I need to skein it all up now, and then I will do the tally up and let you know how it went at the end. Finally. Well, that took all of probably 8 hours all up, maybe longer, to complete. It's a very fine spin. Very sparkly. Very, very sparkly. I managed to get 284.2 meters on this one. So that's pretty cool. Well, today's the last day of TDF Fleece. For my challenge, I didn't get 500 meters on one, but I did manage to get about 6 yarns complete. There's this one. This one's sold today. So thank you to the buyer. I sold this one. I've also sold this one. And now I will have these four. I'll put these up on the shop this week unless they sell before then. So that one will probably sell tonight maybe. It's because the thin ones just sell so fast. They're very popular. This one, beautiful. And these two, super bright, beautiful, but darker than on this video and brighter, but they turned out very pretty. So they will be added to the shop this week as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Hit the all notification bell, which is the black one, to see when I upload next. And thank you so very much to everyone that is a subscriber and has continued to follow me from when I started to now. Or if you're new, welcome. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it and if you have any suggestions for future videos. Bye for now. Bye bye.